Okay, now we're going to make the marinade. We're going to go and take a half a cup of balsamic vinegar. We're going to mix this with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And again, whenever you're pouring a liquid, do it right over what you're pouring it into in case you have an overflow and spill, it'll go into your marinade. We're going to mix in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and I'm going to leave this right here because that's how I'm actually going to mix this all together. We're going to take our garlic and our mushroom and our onions and add that, and then we're going to put a tablespoon of basil over the top, and then we're going to stir that till it's blended.